the Coordinating Minister for Economic Affairs, the Honorable Mr. Airlangga Hartarto, Minister of Foreign Affairs, the Honorable Mr. Sugiono, Minister for Investment and Downstream, the Honorable Mr. Roslani, our Cabinet Secretary, Mr. Teddy Indrawijaya, Vice Minister of Finance, Mr. Thomas Jiwandono, Mr. Hashim Joy Kusumo from Indonesian Chamber of Commerce, family, udah di Kadin ya, Kadin. Ambassador Ted Osius, President and CEO of the U.S.-ASEAN Business Council, and distinguished members of the business mission of the U.S.-ASEAN Business Council to Indonesia 2024, Ambassador Kamala Lahdir, U.S. Ambassador to Indonesia, Ambassador Robert Blake, is Brian McPheeters here?
He's not.
Oh, here. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to welcome you, all of you, to Indonesia. But most of you who are domiciled here, I think, thank you for attending this morning meeting. I think by now, most of my programs have already been explained in public. I also have met Ambassador Osius in Washington, D.C., meeting also many members of the U.S.-ASEAN Business Council. As you know, my administration has only been active, been in office 44 days. Today is our 44th day, and of these 44 days, 16 days I was traveling. But I would like to say that I'm very satisfied with the performance of my administration in these 44 days. Most of the target that we have set for ourselves are being worked upon. Many of our commitments we have delivered, and I have to say that I'm very grateful to my team. Yesterday I had my third full cabinet meeting in 44 days, and I reviewed what we have done in 44 days, and I thanked my team, I thanked my cabinet for their performance. I was pleasantly surprised when I came back and my ministers reported what they have done I think they are working very fast. And I think this is maybe perhaps this will be one of the defining.
President and CEO of USABC, Excellencies, Coordinating Minister Bapak Erlangga Hartarto, Excellencies, Foreign Minister Bapak Sugiono, Excellencies Bapak Hasibjo Hadikusumo, and all the delegation of USABC. Very good morning to all of you. First of all, Bapak Presiden, we are very pleased to have more than 50 companies from the US come to the palace today to meet with us, because they have all the confidence about Indonesia economic growth in the future. Most of them already invest in Indonesia, and I have and I already met with them, some of them, and they would like to have more investment in Indonesia, because Indonesia always managed peace and stability, and that's one of the core strength of Indonesia. And in the same time, they are very confident with the new leadership of Bapak Presiden that give them more comfort. In the same time, always have an open discussion. Your trip to the US also give them more comfort, especially with the new administration. Hopefully we can always have open and a productive discussion. So they will be here for a couple of days. They will meet with all different ministers, also some companies, and in the same time, they want to see a lot of investment climate now has been improved. They also appreciate it, and also ease of doing business has been improved. So again, in the same time, we mentioned to them that we would like to have more quality job to Indonesia, and not only they would like to invest in Indonesia, but at the same time, they want to improve and strengthen the human capital in Indonesia, transfer the knowledge, transfer the technology to us. So without further ado, I would like to give the floor to Ambassador Ted Osius to also to give some remarks. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih. Thank you, Pak.